I feel really privileged to be holding this strong, magnificent Australian bird. The power that's in these talons on my left hand to kill a rabbit or a fox with one blow, 2.5 tonne of striking force. It's amazing, and that's why we looked at the Wedgetail in 2021 when we built our brand here. What could we build it around? A bird that was strong, quiet, powerful, and uniquely Australian, and that's what we have here with the Wedgetail, a uniquely Australian icon. And I'm really glad for Full Flight Centre here and what they're doing to recognise and research a bird that's not probably very well understood in Australia, that we need to know better how they behave and what they do. I think it's really good opportunity for us to promote this bird and to understand more about our ecosystem. So we'd like to really thank Full Flight Birds of Prey for their support today and their support of this wonderful species and their continuing conservation to understand it. And we'd like to thank our customers for their ongoing support of an Australian-made brand.